What is up, beautiful people of YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So we're in the shop again, working on the chopper. Happy Thanksgiving. I mean, I guess now it's been past Thanksgiving, but I hope you had a happy Thanksgiving. Our family had a wonderful one. We celebrated with a turducken and family, and just overall it was a really good time. So this week we've had some wonderful weather, and I totally meant to get out and ride, and it just never happened. In fact, I went to start my Indian Springfield, and it is totally dead. So I have the Zero 3D wireless phone charger on that bike, and it says in the instructions, I remember reading this when I installed it, that if the bike's going to sit for more than 2 weeks to unplug the phone charger. I didn't do that and totally killed the battery, so when I leave the shop today, I'm going to take home a charger and get that battery charged back up, because the Springfield's been sitting at the house. But now that we're well into the winter, I need to get it down to the shop so I can store it for the winter. So today we're going to throw the exhaust on the bike. Let me flip the camera around, show you guys what I've done before I turn the camera on. So, as you guys see, the engine is in the bike. We have some mid-controls on it. Did not film any of that because, to be frank, it's just not interesting. And if you want to visualize it, if you really want to visualize it, think of a monkey dry humping a football for about an hour and a half. That's about what it looked like. So I'm going to take the seat and stuff off. Well, I may not. Who knows? We'll see where we get, because we're probably going to have to do a little bit of welding today. But the exhaust, as you may see on the ground behind me, let me flip the camera around. This is the exhaust that is going on. This is from TC Bros. This is their upswept exhaust. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, it is a copy of the Paco upswept exhaust. So this chopper over here, I have Paco goosenecks on it. I love those pipes. I wanted to use those pipes again, but when I bought those last year, I think I paid $450 for them. They are now $800. $800 for 2 pieces of pipe that have been chrome plated. I'm not spending that much money, and I don't think you guys should spend that much money on the Paco exhaust either. But at $375, this Paco knockoff from TC Bros looks good. It's good thick pipe, thick pipe, and the chrome plating on it looks good. So we're gonna go ahead and get it thrown on the bike. But before we do that, go ahead, give this video a big thumbs up, comment below, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and bang that notification bell so you can keep up with Project Grimace. We are slowly, actually probably more quickly, coming up on this project. I cannot talk today. See, you guys don't get to see what all happens in the shop. I am a complete bumbling idiot, which you guys know from watching the videos, but you have no idea how much just stumbling over my own words gets edited out. But we are quickly approaching this project being done, so it's not going to go to paint until January. I still have to wire it, but really, once the exhaust is on and the bike's wired, we're kind of there. So I didn't show this last week. Let me flip this around. Some of you may have seen this in the video about these axle adjusters, but I have my bracket for the rear brake on. The throttle addiction kit is set up to use the caliper from a 01 through 03. I don't have one of those calipers, but I did have a bracket from a 99. So I cut that down. Now I'm going to drill a hole in there later this week, and I'll get a Heim joint, so that way this whole thing can slide back and forth. But that is how my caliper is going to mount on this. Still need to do the tail light and trim the rear fender. And like I said, we still got some wiring to do, and I still need to seal the gas tanks, which I'm not going to share sealing the gas tanks. I mean, it's a boring process. I mean, if you're looking for a how-to, just buy the stuff and follow the directions. It's pretty easy. So, enough jibber-jabber. Let's throw this camera on the tripod and start getting some exhaust put on this thing. Now, unlike the Paco exhaust, where it is specified whether it is for a swing arm bike or a rigid bike, TC Bros just makes this kit, or has this kit made probably for them, for a swing arm bike, and it says in the instructions that you're just going to have to make it work for a rigid. But it shouldn't be that hard, because we can figure things out and we can troubleshoot basic problems around here. So let's go ahead and get the front pipe started first. Probably help if I took the exhaust nuts off that I have sitting on there. Alright guys, so the exhaust is on. I'll flip it around and show you in just a second, but you can kind of see it back there. So they include 3 different brackets, and you kind of got to find which one is going to work for you. I did not weld a support tab on for this yet. And the support tabs I have are too small. I need to get a taller one, so sometime this week I'll get that ordered, and it'll take all of 30 seconds to weld that on. But let me flip this around, show you guys what the bike is looking like. So there it is in all its glory. Exhaust is looking good. I really wanted to do the goosenecks or the fishtails, but I just couldn't justify the price. But these look good. Now we're at the point in the project where we're starting to get down to the really tedious stuff. I have some other things I need to get done also. So in the next few weeks there may be some Indian content. I need to get that bike all up to date on its service. And, what else do we got going on? All kinds of stuff. There's still some big news in the works that I'm hoping to share with you guys in the next couple weeks. All I'm going to say is we have to get an appraisal ordered this week. That's all I'm going to say. But we're working on some pretty cool things, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. But I guess that's going to kind of wrap this video up. I'm pretty sure this was a short one. I'll find out when I edit it. But I've got a Thanksgiving dinner to get to with some extended family today. So we're going to call that. Again, if you guys can please give this video a big thumbs up, comment below, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. In the description box, there's links to all of our social media, as well as our company website, Headstalls.com, where we make everything for horses. There's a 5% off discount code in the description box. I will see you on the next one. I love each and every one of you. I'm out of here.